Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you receive money on Western Union. So let's get into the video. So if someone have sent you money through Western Union, so there are two ways how you can receive it. All right. One is you can receive it by cash. So you can collect the cash that has been sent to you through Western Union. You can do that. The other one is direct debit. So I mean direct deposit. So it will be straight away deposited to your bank account. Uh, so these two are the ways how you can receive cash. So firstly, if you're collecting the receiving the money by cash, if you're going to collect it, so what you have to do is you need to find a Western Union location or an agent. So what you have to do, if you go to our Western Union website here, you will find there's an option called find location. So depending on your country and your region, you'll be able to find your nearest Western Union agent. So once you have these once you find the agent or the location you're nearby based on your location, and then all you have to do is just take some ID with you, a photo ID to prove your identity, and also the MTC number. The MTC number is actually the tracking number. So if someone have sent you money, so they would have received a tracking number, which is something like this here. So that's the MTC number here. So the MTCN number, all right? So this is actually the tracking number. You will need this number. So get this number from the person from the sender, whoever has sent you, and your photo ID. So go to the location, and then the agent, and then provide them your ID and then the tracking number. And once the money has been received, and then you can just collect the cash money from them. So that's one option. The other way is like straight through your bank deposit. So if the sender has sent it straight to your bank account, then you don't have to do anything. Money will be directly deposited to your bank account, and you can just access it from your bank account. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.